Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs. Whether it's your home getting decorated for the holidays, or maybe you want to be the decorator and have it as part of your own business, let them know. They're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York, on the South Shore of Long Island. 631-957-5106 is the phone number, and the website is liholidaylighting.com. And nearby, brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, also on the South Shore of Long Island, just north of the Southern State Parkway. Their phone number is 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town on hardware, mulch, and emergency preparedness supplies, because we are heading for the heart of hurricane season. The website there, omnitruevalue.com. So today's going to be the hottest day of the week, and as the visible satellite loop comes into view here in the Northeast, you'll notice that there's a white milky haze that covers the Northeast, and that is because the wildfires that have been going on in Northwestern Canada, well, that smoke has spread across the Northern Plains, the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley, and in the Northeast. So there's going to be a hazy look to the sky today. This is going to be the hottest day of the week as temperatures make it up into the 90s. And there's just an outside chance, I think, for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, mainly for inland areas. I don't think you're going to see any along the coast. In the meantime, we still have a lot of moisture in the southeastern part of the U.S., where we're seeing some showers and thunderstorms there. But at least from the standpoint of the radar this morning, it's very quiet across the Northeast and down into the mid-Atlantic states as well. So there's no risk really of any thunderstorm activity today other than pop-ups. And you can see the areas of showers and rain in the southeastern part of the U.S., and particularly down along the Gulf Coast. That there's an old frontal boundary that's sitting down there, and it's not going to have any impact on our weather. So if today is the hottest day of the week, Thursday and Friday are going to be the driest days of the week from the standpoint of humidity. We're going to get a welcomed humidity break here. In the meantime, rainfall over the next 7 days, and this is becoming increasingly important from the standpoint of records, because many areas in the Northeast and northern mid-Atlantic states are approaching monthly records for the month of July, or at the very least, they're going to finish in the top 10 wettest Julys on record, or even the top 5. So for the next 7 days, we're looking at generally, let's say, a quarter of an inch to as much as 1.25 inches, particularly as you go up into northern New England, and anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches in the southeastern part of the United States. A bit heavier in Florida, and continued heavy rains in the drought-plagued Southwest, especially in parts of Arizona. That's been going on for well over a week now, and that looks to continue. So no mechanism really today for widespread thunderstorm activity. We've got a front out to the east, but more importantly, it's the front that is up along the Canadian border. And you see it snaking here west of Maine, north of upstate New York, and back over into the northern lakes. There's a little wave there in the upper peninsula of Michigan. That's going to be moving eastward, and eventually it's going to set that front off to move it southeastward, and that's going to make its approach here on Wednesday. So it is for tomorrow that we may have to deal with some severe weather risk. As far as today is concerned, we only have the forecast for some general isolated thunderstorms, and in the darker green area in upstate New York and in northern Vermont, northern and central Vermont, in a marginal risk for severe weather today. And then for tomorrow, the severe weather risk covers all of New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, northeast to the Hudson Valley, New York City, Long Island, southern and southeastern New England, and on up into coastal Maine. So it looks like the risk area tomorrow is going to be primarily for along the coastal plain as far as severe weather is concerned, rather than for inland areas. So as we take a look at where we're going with all of this, and as we said, for today, you see late this afternoon and this evening, some clusters of thunderstorms in northern Pennsylvania, northeastern Pennsylvania, and then of course on up into upstate New York and through Vermont. Those will die out before they get here. Wednesday, we've got this front approaching, and I think that triggers off some late afternoon or evening thunderstorms, and one or two of those could be severe, which explains the marginal risk. And then this nice high builds in. You don't see the H, but the isobars will show you that right there is, whoops, let's get the, no, that's not the one. That's the one. Okay, so yeah, here's your high, and we're going to have a nice northerly flow of dry air. Dew points are going to be dropping down into the low 50s on average, all the way down into Virginia. And that will take us right through Friday. So 2 nice days, Thursday and Friday, with sunshine, deep blue sky, low humidity, and temperatures topping out generally in the low to middle 80s. And then as we go into the weekend, the thinking is that we will take that high out offshore. Saturday looks good from the standpoint of sunshine and a lack of thunderstorm activity. Then on Sunday, looks like we have a weather system coming through Saturday night into Sunday morning. Bit of a warm front there, perhaps with some showers and storms during the overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then a warm, humid Sunday with scattered afternoon and evening thunderstorms. So for the last weekend of the month of July, really doesn't look too bad, especially for Saturday. I think Saturday should be okay. And actually, some of that low humidity and dry air will hang on going into the weekend. So the tropics are quiet. We don't have any issues there. So we're good. Weather in 5 brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, 631-957-5106. And the website is liholidaylighting.com. And Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, 631-756-1125. And the website there is omnitruevalue.com. So enjoy the day, folks. The Joe and Joe Weather Show tonight at 7:30 Eastern Time on my YouTube channel, Joe Cioffi. We hope to see you there. And also, you can download the free, that's right, it's free, Meteorologist Joe Cioffi weather app on Google Play or on the App Store. Just search Meteorologist Joe Cioffi, Cioffi, in case you can't spell it. This way you can not only follow along with daily weather updates if you like to read them, you can also watch Weather in 5 and the Joe and Joe Weather Show. You could watch it live right from the app. So have at it, folks. Download away and have a nice day.